Hello friends, my name is Agastya Vinayak. Today we will study subject verb agreement. Do you know the golden rule of subject verb agreement? The golden rule of subject verb agreement is that if the subject is singular, we will use singular verb, and if the subject is plural, we will use plural verb. So now let's start the class. Words such as each, every, each one, everyone, everybody are all synonyms. These all words meaning in Hindi is har ek. So now let's see the examples. These books dash written by Dickens. These books are many. So here the subject is plural. So we will use plural verb with it. Are. Now next example. Each of these books dash written by Dickens. So this is also written by Dickens. This is also written by Dickens. And this is also written by Dickens. So हर एक ये भी डिकन्स ने लिखी है, ये भी डिकन्स ने लिखी है और ये भी डिकन्स ने लिखी है. So now each means it is singular pronoun, so we will use singular pronoun with it, is. So the answer will be each of these books is written by Dickens. Now third example. Everyone dash done the homework. Everyone. Augusta has also done the homework. Araceli has also done the homework. And Parth has also done the homework. So हर एक, इस बच्चे ने भी होमवर्क कर लिया, इस बच्चे ने भी होमवर्क कर लिया और इस बच्चे ने भी होमवर्क कर लिया. So everyone synonym are each, every, each one, everybody, each. So it is singular pronoun. So with this we will use singular pronoun. Has. So the answer will be everyone has done the homework. Now let's next example. Children dash done the homework. Children. Now in the class there are many children. So here the subject is plural. Plural. With this we will use plural verb have. Because have is a plural verb. So we will use have with it. So the answer will be children have done the homework. Now let's come to fifth example. Everybody dash Mr. Smith. Everybody. Everybody synonym is each, every, each one, everyone. Now each. Each is a singular pronoun. So by this it will come singular verb with it. So singular verb is knows. So the answer will be knows. Everybody knows Mr. Smith. So now let's see sixth example. These children dash Mr. Smith. So children are plural noun. So with this we will use plural verb with it. So the answer will be no. These children know Mr. Smith. Now let's summarize what we have done. Words such as each, every, each one, everyone, everybody are all synonyms. These words meaning in Hindi is har ek, har ek. With these words we use singular verbs because they are singular. So, bye friends. Thank you.